Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Talk. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Indian Amendment Act and its constitution, Indian polity, GK, MCQ questions. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. देखो इंडियन अमेंडमेंट मेन की पॉइंट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अडॉप्टेड on 26 November 1949. Constitution came into force 26 January 1950. National anthem Jana Gana Mana adopted on 24 January 1950. National song Bande Mataram adopted on 24 January 1950. 101 Constitution Amendment Act 2016 is GST, Good and Service Taxes. Recent amendments 103 Constitutional Amendment Act 2019 Reservation for EWS, Economically Weaker Section. 10% reservation to EWS in central government and private educational institution and central government jobs. Follows the mandate of Article 46. Government should protect the educational and economic interest of weaker section. Adds Article 15(6) in education and 16(6) in employment. 104 Constitutional Amendment Act 2019 Extension for reservation for SC/ST in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly for 10 years till 25th January 2030. Abolished the reservation for Anglo-Indians in Lok Sabha. Article 334 Amendment 334A. देखो ये recent amendments 8 Amendment 1959, 23 Amendment 1969, 45 Amendment 1979, 62 Amendment 1989, 79th Amendment 1999, 95 Amendment 2009. A important amendment 52 Amendment 1959 which is known as Anti-Defection Law. 10th Schedule 61 Amendment 1989 age limit for voting reduced from 21 to 18 years. 65 Amendment 1919 National Commission for SC and ST under Article 338. 73 and 74th Amendment 1992 to 93 Panchayats and Municipality. 86 Amendment 2002 Right to Education under Article 21A. First Amendment 1951 added 9th schedule in the Constitution. 7th Amendment 1956 reorganization of states. 24th Amendment 1971 extends the power of Parliament to amend Constitution including fundamental rights. 42 Amendment 1976 mini Constitution. 44th Amendment 1979 to change some provision of 42 Amendment. In the first question, in which Amendment Act GST was introduced? GST was introduced in July 2017. The correct answer is option A, 101. Amendment Act GST was introduced in 101. Next question. The 52 Amendment to Constitution of India is most closely related to extension of reservation in government jobs, special status to Tripura, anti-defection law, increasing voting age. Correct answer is 52 Amendment is close to is known as anti-defection law. Option C correct answer, anti-defection law. Next question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? 42 Amendment Act 1976, 44 Amendment Act 1978, 61 Amendment Act 1989, 73 Amendment Act 1909. Correct answer is option C, 61 Amendment Act 1989 lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years. Next question. The 42 Amendment Act 1976 is also known as Mini Constitution, Fundamental Rights Amendment, Secularism Amendment, Judicial Review Amendment. Correct answer is 42 Amendment Act 1976 is also known as Mini Constitution. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights by which amendment? 24 1971, 42 Amendment Act 1976, 44th Amendment Act 1978, 52 Amendment Act 1985. Correct answer is option C, 44th Amendment Act 1978. Right to property was removed from the list. Which amendment introduced the Goods and Services Tax (GST) in India? 97 Amendment Act 2011, 99 Amendment Act 2015, 100 Amendment 2015, 101 Amendment Act 2016. तो GST तुमर होइतिला amendment introduce कराइतिला 101 Amendment Act 2016. Correct answer is option D. Which amendment provided constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institution? तो पंचायत राज institution हेतिला 61 Amendment Act 1989, 69th Amendment Act 1991, 73 Amendment Act 1992, 86 Amendment Act 2002. Panchayat Raj institution it belongs to 73 Amendment Act 1992. Option C, correct answer. Which amendment added the words socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble? Correct answer is option C, 42 Amendment Act 1976. Amendment added the words socialist, secular, integrity to the preamble. Which amendment led to the formation of National Judicial Appointments Commission (NJAC)? NJAC. Correct answer is option B, 99 Amendment Act 2014, later struck down by the Supreme Court. 99 Amendment Act 2014 led to the formation of National Judicial Appointments Commission. The 86th Amendment Act 2002 made which right a fundamental right? Right to property, right to education, right to equality, right to information. Correct answer is option B, right to education. 86th Amendment Act, right to education. The anti-defection law was introduced through which amendment? 42, 44, 52, 61. Correct answer is anti-defection law was introduced 52 Amendment Act 1985. Option C, correct answer. Which amendment granted constitutional status to cooperative societies? 86, 91, 97, 101. Which amendment granted constitutional status to cooperative societies? Correct answer is 97 Amendment Act 2011. Constitutional status to cooperative societies. 97 Amendment Act 2011. The 42 Amendment Act 1976 is known as the mini constitution because it changed the preamble of India. It gave sweeping powers to the parliament. It made extensive changes to several parts of the constitution. It introduced concept of judicial review. Correct answer is option C. It made the extensive changes to several parts of constitution. These are the important MCQs on Amendment Act of India. वीडियो जदि पसंद आसला ताले वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, चैनल जदि न्यू अच्छे ताले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।